here at GCU, students get access to this room immediately, freshman year. They can come in at any time and learn how to use it one-on-one, but a lot of what we get in here is class-based. So we get a ton of different designs. One of the main reasons that this room is so popular is for our capstone students. Those are our seniors who they have their final projects that they're designing. They're creating something brand new that's never been made before. And so they utilize all of these printers for mostly iteration. Our plastic printers, they start with a design and then they work through it step by step. Maybe a hole is a different size and they need to change it. So they reprint, test it, and then they can print some of their final things on our better printers. These are our PCB mills. These are for our electrical engineers. What they do is they mill out custom circuit boards. So students in their upper level electrical classes will be able to design a circuit board and then come down here and cut it out and have it in 30 seconds rather than shipping it to an outside manufacturer and having it 2 weeks or a month later. I actually graduated from GCU in 2021. I went through the biomedical program and I loved every single second of it. Truthfully, I was happy to come back to work here and just to be in this environment. It's a pretty unique university experience and the campus vibe is different. The people, the faculty are different. They care. They spend a lot of time working with you. It's just a great place to be.